Large hobby RC cars 4WD 2.4GHz off-road monster RC truck toy all-terrain racing 40-minute play. The perfect 4WD large racing toy is a must-have for boys, girls, adults and off-road lovers. The professional transmitter of the radio remote control car brings you a far superior experience. Equip 2 different color car shells. Choose different shells as you like. Easy to assemble. High-quality PVC material car shell. The super anti-throw ability allows it to go through on-road, off-road and any rugged road. With a transparent protective membrane to protect the car shell during transportation. Great off-road performance, strong and durable. Professional functions and parts make the car better controllability in terms of proportional control. Ensure the high-speed driving performance. Each wheel is installed oil-filled shock which gives support to unexpected dropping and the unstable surface of the ground. But the truck body more flexible, responsive for off-road action. Adjust a wheel directional angle that you like. Clockwise rotation the steering rate knob and the steering angle will increase accordingly. Counterclockwise rotation the steering rate knob and the steering angle will decrease accordingly.